What's going on, my YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? Back with my sun hat today. That's right. Hope everybody enjoyed the last video. Hope everybody's hanging in there. Today's video is a huge shout out to Clarence. That's right, my friend. I heard you're watching my videos, and as much as you're looking up to me, I'm looking right back up to you. Your support means the world to me, buddy, and I'm glad that you're watching my videos and that you're inspired by all this. Clarence, you keep at it. You keep doing what you're doing, buddy, and you keep being kind like you've been, my friend, and it's going to get you very far. It's always got me where I am today, doing the right thing. But if you guys can do me a huge favor in this video, is drop down in that comment section today and comment to Clarence. Shout out to Clarence. Say hello, give him support, give him likes, my friends. And let's continue on our Firewood adventure. And Clarence, this one's for you, my friend. Let's get out there. Let's grab some logs with Big Bob. We're going to throw them up on the processor and do some Clarence cutting. That's right. We're going to process up some wood for you, my friend. Get that trailer filled in inspiration for you, Clarence. Here's my pressure washer station. Also, I was cutting off all the junk that I didn't want on the processor. You guys can see we'll get like a loopy at the end. I'll just chop that right there, and I'll be able to send that little piece through and then the rest of that through as well. The firewood's a little muddy. Our logs want a bath. It's nothing special there, you know, power washing logs, but let me tell you, like I said, if I'm down in the shop sharpening up chains non-stop because of dirty logs, is it really, worth it to sit there and just keep cutting through that mud rather than just take the time, pressure wash the logs and be done with it, be miles ahead probably with my normal chains now. Also, I mean, if them carbide chains are super expensive, I'm going to have to get a diamond wheel to sharpen them. Another whole investment to be able to sharpen up the carbides, and another whole investment to be able to use the carbides on the processor. All the time it would take me to go down to the shop, sharpen up them chains, rather than take a couple hours out here, power wash the logs, be done with it. Power washing. Sawdust is getting large, boys and girls. halfway through our firewood load, and Bree decides to stop in and say hello to you, everyone. Friends, and Clarence.
Hi, Clarence. Come by soon.
But wonderful day to have Bree stop in and say hello to all you YouTube family, and you especially, Clarence.
We'll see you soon.
Loaded up, many more to go. Forgot to update you guys on the processor. It's been running beautiful. Guys, this is how you do firewood. Modern. This is modern days firewood. Oh, we just lost the trailer. Just dumped our load off on our way back, fill her up again, rinse and repeat. That's what we do around here. Just the same repetitive thing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that session there. Some power washing, processing, a little bit of everything here. That's gonna do it for that one. Long night, plenty of wood orders that went out the door. Didn't really get much footage of the wood coming down the dump trailer. Clarence, I hope you enjoy that, my friend. I hope you enjoyed all them little segments for you. Keep your mind to anything you want to do, my friend, and stick at it. You're going to get anywhere you want to. I hope you enjoyed seeing the processor. Hope you enjoyed seeing Bree pop in here. And I hope you enjoyed seeing Big Bob as well. Everything's put away. I got some rain coming in. And for the rest of you woodhounds and my YouTube family, hope everybody stays well. Be good, be nice to each other, and help each other out and stick together, my friends, like I always say. And that's going to do it. Hope you guys have a great night, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See you, everybody.